Putin announces Russia has successfully tested the Poseidon nuclear-capable Doomsday Torpedo, capable of causing radioactive tsunamis that could make coastal cities uninhabitable. Poseidon, also reported as Status 6, NATO code Canyon, is a Russian nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed underwater drone torpedo that Russia has long claimed to be developing.